Hey guys, I hope you guys are fine. Somebody confirm if my mic is okay before we proceed. Okay, if it's okay, that's good. So, okay, let's continue. So today we're gonna analyze just 5 pairs as usual. We will look at the dollar index, gold, cable, dollar card, and the euro dollar. First of all, let's start with the dollar index. From the analysis that we did last Sunday, we realized that the dollar was somehow bearish. And it was to be bearish from the consolidation that it was from December. Yeah, this one. So from last week, we realized that we expected the price to break out of this consolidation downwards to seek for internal liquidity before we proceed with the up move. The reason for the up move is that you can be able to see the order flow is bullish. You can see that the order flow is bullish. Therefore, we expected just a correction of price to seek internal liquidity before we proceed with the up move. And upon analysis that we did, we were able to locate an imbalance external liquidity here, whereby we said we expect the price to go up, seek this PD array, this premium array, then downward to clear these lows, which was actually cleared. Okay, that was beautiful. Then there was a weekly imbalance here, and this one too was closed. But on daily time frame, we have an imbalance too. This one from this swing to this imbalance, the daily time frame imbalance. So it's just to be cleared out of it. Now the price is already here. So what next? What do we expect from here? First, we can say that this was a structure break. And after this structure break, there was an imbalance here. And we have this premium array here, the green candle. This is our premium array. And we have this bullish order block and the weekly order block here. So we have two liquidity draws. The price is drawn to seek this internal liquidity or drawn to seek this internal liquidity. Let's identify our areas of interest. First of all is this green candle. This is the first point of interest where we may expect to react from if the price comes back to that zone. That's our first point of interest. And again, we have this. Now, look here. We have break of structure. So there's a possibility that the price comes back here first. We need to see first the up move. That's probably on Monday or Tuesday. Then we have the down move to seek now to complete this fair value gap and then back to daily order block. So from here, we'll be able to have our long-term buy. Now, our next liquidity draw is this, when the price will be at the zone. So this is what I'm expecting in the coming week on daily time frame. In 4-hour time frame, You see this 4-hour OB is being nested in that daily order block. So it's the same zone. So expect the price up here, then look for sell setups from that zone. And then we go here. But also, we may have this kind of price action that is 1 hour time frame. We have a BMS here. So we have this breaker. Therefore, on Monday, if we get this into the breaker, then back to the 4-hour point of interest, then we go short. So this is what I'm expecting generally, according to me. So the next pair we look at is the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, remember, needs to go in line with the dollar index. The same case that we can be able to see, liquidity draw. This one is already cleared. We identified it last week. The price was drawn here and it was cleared. Now, our next liquidity draw is this here. But before this, we have a break of structure here. So we need to see the price seek internal liquidity, which is this 4-hour, daily bearish order block. So if we check in 4-hour time frame, and be able to see this is the point that we may expect the price to go to first. So according to me, I'm expecting an up move right into this zone. Then I will have a drop to this to take out this liquidity draw. After this, then we may get another bullish bias, but for now, we are still having what? This up move right into this green candle, then we drop. The same thing can be able to see the order flow is bullish. So we'll have the up move first of all, possibly up move into this zone, then we sell off. The next pair to look at is cable. And cable in weekly time frame, in monthly time frame is bullish, weekly time frame is bearish. Yeah, so you can be able to see the order flow is bearish. Now, last week we were able to patch into the weekly bearish order block here. Let's get rid of this one. We used them last week and we don't need them. Okay, this is the BMS and this is the return. Okay, BMS return. We don't need this. Good. So the price is back into the weekly bearish order block, but you can be able to see this order flow is very, very strong. So if we sell here, we take the sell as a long-term sell, it will be wrong because this up move is very, very strong. So we need to look for up moves only, first of all. And still on weekly time frame, since we are still bearish, but we need to see the price go above here so that we declare that now in weekly time frame we are bullish. But in other time frames we are bullish, like D1, H4 is still bullish. And now, since we are in a bearish weekly order block, and as I usually tell you that the price may use this order block because it is against this order flow, it will use this zone as a short-term resistance zone before we proceed with the up move. So this coming week, I'm expecting a pullback, then we continue with the up move. In 4-hour time frame, the zones that we'll be looking at will be this and this. these are the two zones that you need to look at. So the same way the dollar index, we want to do an up move before a drop. In the dollar, in this cable, we need to see a down move before up move. I don't mean that we'll just see a down move first before up move. There's a possibility that the price may first go up to visit this zone. Then we have the drop. Maybe on Wednesday, midweek reversal, then we have that up move. So it's for you to wait and see what kind of price action the market may display. The next pair is gold. Gold was still bullish, Yeah, to give us nice moves last week. All these ones up to that time. That was late. Okay, let's see what we have this week. This week, we're still bullish. And there is an OB here that was unmitigated. This is the one that is likely to hold the price. This is the zone I want you to look at when the market opens. This one. And also this. But this one is already mitigated. So high probability zone is this one. And we have this swing low here. So when the market opens, I expect this low to be cleared into this zone, then we get an up move. So for me personally, I'll be buying from here because we already have equal highs here. So this is our liquidity draw, liquidity pull here. So they clear this low right into this OB, look for buy setups here, and we get the up move. The next pair is the euro dollar. Euro dollar, the price was able to break out from this consolidation, December consolidation, and this was a clean break of structure. But we are somehow bearish, and we have bearish D1 over here. And there's these imbalances that needs to be mitigated, as I told you last week. So since we had this breakout, we need to see a correction back to these zones before we continue with the up move. And if this high is being violated, then we'll continue going higher and higher. But for the meantime, look for sells up to these zones, then we buy from here. Okay, that's all I had for you today. Any question you can ask me, but through Telegram at SmartXForex or through WhatsApp with our number that is provided. But for now, guys, prepare well, wait for the market open, plan your trade before you trade. Till see you next time. Good luck and good trading.